I am going to read English newspaper. Illegal Bangladesh immigration racket busted, 11 arrested. With the arrest of 11 people, Delhi police on Tuesday claimed to have unearthed a gang involved in illegal immigration of Bangladeshi nationals. Among those arrested, four are Bangladeshi citizens and the rest were allegedly involved in making forged documents. An official said the gang was busted when our team tracked down four people involved in a murder case in Sangam, Bihar on October 21, said Deputy Commissioner of Police Ankit Chauhan. The Bangladeshi nationals Midul Mian A alias Midul Mia alias Akash Ahmad and Fardeen Ahmad alias Abhi Ahmad, along with their wives, were arrested and interrogated in connection with the murder of Sentu Sheikh alias Raja. During interrogation, the accused revealed that Sentu, who lived in their neighborhood, used to bully them over minor issues. Further investigations showed that the accused had entered India illegally and had been residing in Sangam Vihar for several years. The officer said they were found in possession of Bangladeshi ID cards, chip-based NID cards, and birth certificates, around 21 Aadhaar cards for voter ID cards, and 8 PAN cards were also recovered from the victim's residence. A team led by inspectors Umesh Yadav and Umesh Sharma under the supervision of ACPs Abhinendra Chen and Neeraj Tokas was formed to conduct a thorough probe into the illegal immigration issue. Chauhan said further questioning of the accused led to the arrest of Sahil Sehgal, 26, who ran a Punam online computer center in Rohini Sector 5. It was found that the center was involved in preparing Aadhaar cards and other documents using fake IDs. Sehgal revealed that he was approached by illegal Bangladeshi immigrants through the deceased Sentu Sheikh alias Raja. According to the police, Sahil used the fake website JantaPrints.site to generate fraudulent birth certificates and sent them to his associate Ranjit for Aadhaar card processing. The officer said Ranjit, a resident of Sector 7 in Rohini, worked with Afroz 25 and auto authorized Aadhaar operator at Karnataka Bank in Rohini Sector 5 using fake birth certificates. Afroz facilitated the creation of Aadhaar cards. Ranjit and Afroz were arrested and investigations revealed that the JanPrints.site offered fake Documents including birth certificates, matriculation certificates, caste certificates, COVID certificates, and income certificates at nominal prices is starting from Rs7. The official said payments for these documents were made by Paytm QR codes linked to a number registered under Mohammed Chand. Based on technical surveillance, Mohammed Chand, 28, from Uttam Nagar, was arrested from Vikas Nagar, Delhi. He confessed to retaining a 20% commission and transferring the remaining amount to Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein, 33, from Uttam Nagar, was arrested, leading to the discovery that the JantaPrints site was operated by his associate Deepak Misra. Saddam transferred the payments to Deepak Misra, retaining a 20% share for himself. Thank you.